Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install and retexture for our MRPD MLO. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script of our Retexture MRPD. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here, then click over here, then click on this download button and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here, this is the new retextured version of our MRPD, as you can see over here. So there's a major changes in the texture of our default MRPD, as you can see. So there are lots of changes has been done in this default MRPD MLO. You can explore it by yourself over here. The changes in the walls, the cells, as you can see over here, and rest of the things you can explore it by yourself. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.